Today on Live the Life You Love, we're getting the table decorated for Easter, and we're also going to make a easy, delicious dessert for company with an Easter twist. While decorating, I got a fun Target order delivered, so I'm going to be sharing that with you also. I'm using decor pieces I love and already have in my decor arsenal. I received this sweet candle as a birthday gift. The bunny is a new addition, and the carrot is from Dollar Tree this year. Can you believe I thrifted this grapevine bunny-shaped wreath for only $2.99 that I actually filmed in one of my videos a few years back at CVS. I fell in love with it when I saw it, just to find it a few years later at a Savers. The table scene is now set, ready for food, friends, and family. My sweet friend Sharon said that my love language sings through what I put into my home and my family. Those were such beautiful and kind words to hear in this time of rejoicing and rebirth. From them, Nature Valley soft baked oatmeal squares, banana bread, and dark chocolate. Don't usually buy stuff like this, but I figured something different for work. Vanilla, blueberry kind bars. Oh my gosh, even the packaging is adorable. Alright. This is a cereal sprinkle mix. It's kettle corn. And you get white chocolate drizzle, chocolate candy pieces, and cinnamon cereal squares and sprinkles. And look how fun that is. So cute. Hopefully as delicious as cute. And this one has pastel sprinkles, coated peanuts, milk chocolate, peanut flavored cereal squares, and then mini peanut butter cups, white chocolate cereal, and roasted salted peanuts. This dessert is so versatile. I love changing up the ingredients every time I make it. I will leave the traditional ingredient list and the instructions on how to bake it in my description box. I'm using this bag of popcorn as one of the ingredients because I love to have fun over here, and with the addition of the Easter Jimmies, aka sprinkles, it's really going to give me that Easter dessert look that I'm aiming for. Getting this butter cut up and ready for the microwave to get melted. You could also use any variation of nuts that you'd like. This popcorn is not only delicious, but it's so fun and colorful. I'm chopping them up for perfect bite-sized pieces. Traditionally, this is where I would add the chocolate chip pieces, but we're riding the fun bus today and we're going with some Reese's peanut butter mini cups. Here it is, out of the oven, all melted, gooey and delicious, and here is the perfect piece ready for that company.